Ebyabaho Auditor General yabanahayo report y'omwaka 2023 owa Speaker wa Parliament. Omubazi rukwibwa harimo ya ARVs, COVID-19 vaccines, test kits n'ebindi bikwato kandi ebibayirwe bilioni 3.3 mu sente za Uganda.
Government had to write off Uganda shillings 316 billion worth of COVID-19 vaccines, ARVs and test kits off the books of government. This is an increase from last year's 33 billion shillings. This represents a significant waste of resources that could have been saved or utilized given the pressing healthcare needs.
Okurugira Auditor General Ministry y'ebyamagara yakurembalirwa nungi nikije kumaraho kufirwa sente.
The situation in hospitals requires intervention. Mulago National Referral Hospital's ICU is operating only 15 beds out of the 27, which is just 56% of its capacity due to staff shortages.
Deputy Speaker Thomas Tayebwa oyanjura reportage yayereko kwatwaho abunguze tekeremsho cyo mbitongore bya Gavumenti ebitaro mona.
But then you hear the IGG saying every day we lose around 20 billion or something like that. And the public also is looking at what government is doing, and they see corruption littered all over, and they're saying, but what are you talking about? Auditor General, what are you talking about? Until we had an engagement and we agreed that now the reporting method is going to change.
Gasha kwa Jimmy Mhumza.